Don't wait for your cat's nails to grow into screws before clipping its nails. It's easy for the nails to dig into the flesh and cause the cat's claws to disintegrate. Then it will be too late to regret. Cat owners must clip their cat's nails regularly. Newbies can use these small blind clippers. Aim at the small round holes and cut them right on the spot. You don't have to worry about cutting the bloodline. There are 2 holes at the top and bottom. Big cats use the big hole. Small cats use the small hole. You can use it from small to big. The blade is concave, so you don't have to worry about accidental injury. Look, it's all done in one go. Clip your cat's nails every 1 to 2 weeks. It's good for you and it's good for him.